Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to delete group in Zangi. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. The process is quite easy. Now let's simply look at how to delete a group. Well, do note in my previous videos I had created a group. Let's say I want to delete this one ASD right here. So I'm simply gonna click on it. Once you do that, you will be redirected to the interface. Well, right now all you guys have to do is focus on the top of the screen. Right here you can simply see the group name or the group profile picture. Click on the group profile picture right now. And as such, this thing will open up. From here, do note that there are lots of options, simply ranging from shared media to hide conversation, clear chats and everything. Right now all you guys need to do is focus on this thing right here called as group settings. Click on it and that is it. From here you can simply edit the group name, group photos, add members and do anything. But right now all we want to do is delete it. So I'm gonna click on this delete group button right here and just give my confirmation. And guys, that is it. This is how you delete a group in Zangi. Well guys, that's the gist of it. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.